Welcome back. Well, it looks like a typical summer situation for Acadiana as we move forward with the daily chance of showers and storms staying in the forecast. News of the day coming in from Colorado State. So let's get to the key wall and talk about this. Dr. Phil Klotzbaugh, the head of the tropical forecast group coming out of Colorado State, upping the forecast for his numbers, and his numbers verify about 90% of the time. So up to 25 named storms, but we've already had 3 named storms, so we can cross that out and go 22 for the entire season. We've already knocked off 1 hurricane, so we upped the number to 12 instead of 11, and major hurricanes instead of 5 because we had Beryl as a major hurricane, which, by the way, Beryl's probably going to get its name retired because it was a Cat 5 so early in the season, raked the southern Windward Islands, raked Jamaica, and then Jamaica Beach by Houston and much of the Houston area. So that name goes in the record books more than likely and will be retired. Forecast factors, the sea surface temperatures are way out there. The La Nina that's coming on, upper level shear is going to be minimal, and then the trade winds are going to be light. And we do expect an active monsoon coming off the African coast. So we'll talk more about that and what's going on in the tropics coming up in just a bit. But be ready. It's going to be a long season. I don't see anything happening for a couple of weeks, but look out for mid-August all the way through October. It's going to be busy in the tropics. Near term, though, it looks like we have our daily rain chances back, a slightly better chance of scattered activity. It looks like for a Saturday and Friday. Here's an upper level low that's captured the remnants of Beryl, still producing heavy rain off to the north. Ridge of high pressure is kind of too far to the west of us, so we're kind of caught in this little troughiness across the area that will keep at least the daytime showers and thunder showers going, and some activity even continuing during the course of the nighttime hours as we've tried to get a little bit of a north and northeast wind coming in, and we have west-southwest winds generally along the I-10 corridor, so we still have a few pop-up showers down by Cameron. We have a few other showers in the area, but not much going on. Your rain chance tonight at 10%. Isolated cell just to the east of the Morse area right here as we get into southern Acadia Parish, and then another cell over by St. Martinville. And then we had a nice little shower here by the River Ranch area, but that is quieted down as well. But don't be surprised if you get a few raindrops here and there over the next several hours, maybe through the overnight hours as well. We'll keep rain chance at about 10%. Looks quiet across the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean for that matter. Certainly, this is the way we like to see the tropics. This looks more like July, not what we had over the last week. And add in the dust that's coming off the African coastline, plenty of it over by Florida, the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and across much of the Atlantic. So we're not expecting anything to develop in the next 7 days. It's probably going to be the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 if we get lucky. Farther to the east, we do have an active monsoon, but it's kind of suppressed to the south. It's probably got plenty of dust mixed in. So we'll be watching these seedlings coming off the African coastline with much more interest in about a month's time. So overnight tonight, relatively quiet. The graph model trying to keep, see those north winds here and the south winds here, trying to keep showers down by the coast, but we'll go 20 to 30% for tomorrow. For Thursday, it looks like we see better penetration inland of scattered activity, and then we go into Friday, we're going to see probably a better coverage of showers and storms, but again, nothing that's going to rain out the entire day. In fact, here's the Euro model over the next week. Tomorrow, then we get into Thursday, so you see scattered activity. It's almost like clockwork, and then we get into Friday, Saturday, a little bit more coverage across the area. Sunday, the risk of scattered storms. These are all look like 40% type days, give or take 10 or 20% on any given day, and much the same as we head into next week as well. So upper 70s to near 80 tonight. We'll get into the low to mid 90s for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, back down. If we're lucky, we'll get down into the mid 70s. The graph wants to bring in that some drier air, but don't bet on it. Upper 80s, lower 90s again as we head into Thursday with scattered storms cooling us off from time to time. So overnight tonight, it's going to be a quiet one. 78 your overnight low with partly cloudy skies, very light westerly winds for the most part. And then for tomorrow, it's back to mostly sunny skies in the morning. July being July, hot and humid with the risk of a few afternoon showers or thunder showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in the mix as well as we head into the latter part of the afternoon. Moving into the 10-day forecast, pretty much July being July, summer is as summer does with scattered afternoon showers and storms, daytime highs low to mid 90s and overnight lows upper 70s to near 80 degrees for the foreseeable future. That's it for weather. We'll have an update coming up a little later on.